Welcome to the American Dream. I'm your host today, Brenda Burke, real estate and lifestyle expert, here in downtown Coeur d'Alene, where we're going to see a hidden gem, the Lake City Playhouse. We'll go inside and meet the artistic director, Brookie. So come on along. So now we're inside of the Lake City Playhouse, and I'm here with Brookie, and I'd love to know the story of how you got involved and what's going on with the Playhouse nowadays.
So I got involved when I was 15 years old, and I was probably 14 actually. I was a young girl who had been a dancer and moved back to the area that my dad lived in my whole life, and dance was not for me anymore. So I found Huckleberry Children's Theater, which was their kids camp, and I went to the kids camp and I fell in love with it.
So tonight, I know that you're doing the production of Matilda. We're going to go and meet a few of the actors and see where you're doing that, but you're doing it at off-site because you don't have any place.
Yes.
And so you're doing it at the Kroc Center.
Yes.
So how did that happen?
So Trigger Weddle runs the Kroc Center's theater. She is a very good friend of mine, and we had been talking and we were doing some fundraising, and we had started Matilda in 2020 before the flood.
Wow.
And before the pandemic. And so we stopped it during the pandemic, and then when the pandemic ended, we started it, and then we flooded.
Well, I'm excited to see the show tonight, and thank you so much for spending the time.
Thank you so much.
Welcome to the Kroc Center, a combined endowment of $80 million back in 2009. And it is truly an enrichment center and a place to go and enjoy community involvement. And tonight, they're sponsoring Matilda for the Lake City Playhouse. So now we are backstage with the Hunt family, and the whole family's involved. Tell me a little bit about that.
Well, back 3 years ago, before COVID kind of shut everything down, the older ones of us had auditioned for the first time that they were going to run this show. So me and my husband, who plays Trunchbull, and then these two girls. And she was going to play Lavender. She was so little back then. And these two were even too little to be in the show.
Oh my
and
God.
so when we found out that they're going to be producing it again, we all came back out. And now we're all doing it together, all six of us.
Well, how great. You love it.
Yeah, it's awesome because we've never been in a show all together, all separately. This is his first show.
Yeah.
Is this your first show too? Yeah.
No, I don't.
Oh no. Yeah.
Well, she's done ballet and stuff.
Oh, that's
Yeah, I'm an old veteran.
Well, that's great.
I feel like I'm doing pretty good for my first time in a show.
Well, we'll see. We'll watch you on stage tonight. Thank you guys very much.
Thank you.
So now we get personal with the actors. And right now I have Eloise, who has the starring role. So tell me a little bit about how long you've been in theater and why you love theater so much.
I've been in theater for about a year and a half. I've done 4 shows.
Wow.
And I've done 2 with CYT, 2 with CST, and 1 here, which is my 4th show.
Well, great. So do you want to be a famous actress someday?
Yes.
You do? Well, I can't wait to see you on the big stage, but for now, I'm looking forward to seeing you as Matilda. Thank you for joining us today for American Dream TV. So nice to have you along, and we'll see you next time.